I want to show you how to play the song "A Dream is a Wish Your Heart Makes" from the movie Cinderella. If you want the letter notes for that, you go to LetterNotePlayer.com. I have them there for you. Let's start with the melody, because the melody is what carries this song, and it's in the key of E, and we start on a B. B, 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 G sharp, D sharp, F sharp, E, B, E, C, D sharp, C sharp, C sharp, A, F, G sharp, F sharp, F, G sharp, F sharp, C sharp, E, D sharp, B, G sharp, B, 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 G sharp, D sharp, F sharp, E, E, F sharp, E, F sharp, E, G sharp, F sharp, C sharp, C sharp, C, C sharp, B, A, G sharp, F sharp, B, A, B, A, G sharp, F sharp, E, G sharp, F sharp, E, C sharp, C, E, A, F sharp, G sharp, E. Then, the only thing we'll do for an introduction is just an open fifth, E and B in both hands. E, B in both hands, 2 octaves apart. Sustain it. And then we'll play that melody and we'll put the bass with it. Come all the way down to this B right here. Now for the bass, you're just going to go back and forth with E and B. E, B, E, B. Because kind of both tonalities are implied. See? The E tonality is implied, and then the B tonality is implied with the D sharp, F sharp. So you've got, you're working off the key of E. Then we go to an A, and then we add a C sharp, F, G sharp, a C sharp minor chord, or a C sharp major chord. A, C sharp chord. Then we go to F sharp, C sharp, F sharp, C sharp. See, we got open fifths with E and the B. Then we got open fifths with the F sharp and the C sharp. Then we're going to go to a B and a D sharp, F sharp. So B major. There's your, back to E, F sharp, B. And in the right hand right there, we're going to have a B, A, an A, B right there. So it'll be a B7. Then we're back to this. So then, just put the melody with it. We come out of that open fifth introduction, and then start down here, down 2 octaves, and take it very slow and freeform the rhythm. Here's the B. Then we do it again. Now here we're going to have a B minor. So play the B, D, F sharp. We're going to go to an E chord. So you got B, B minor to an E, and all we're going to play for the E is a B and an E. So we're just going to slide to the B and the E because we've got the G sharp in the right hand. Now, we're going to go to an F minor. F sharp, A, C sharp. Then we're going to go to an A minor. So you go F sharp minor, A minor, E, then we've got an F sharp chord, F sharp is all black keys. F sharp, A sharp, C sharp. Back to the F sharp minor. F sharp minor, of course, is black, white, black. F sharp, A, C sharp. The B major chord. Now I'm going to have a little pickup there into that the orchestra plays. They go E, C sharp, 3 of them, triplets. And then in the left hand, you're going to go E, G sharp, A sharp, B. So we've got. And then all we do for the second time through, we just pick up the tempo, take an up-tempo version, and then put a tag on the end of it. So you come from it. Same thing. That back just a little, and then now here I start to hold it back a little bit because we're getting ready for the tag. Now here you can either play C sharp A or C E A. Either one will work. And then the tag is going to be an E ninth chord. E, G sharp, B, D sharp, E, G sharp, B, D sharp, F sharp. So we'll just put that down as a tag. And when you play that, you're going to come, we've got, so you're going to play the E right there, and then you're going to pick it up with your left hand. You're going to play it with your right hand, the melody. So to get into that, and that melody, you can play it either way that's comfortable. Or it'll work. See, if you play the A, if you play the E, if you play the C sharp, you're playing in the chord. If you play the E, you're turning that into an F minor 7th chord. So either one note will work there. And I think they sing an E right there. Okay, but don't sweat it if you play a C sharp there. So here we go with that ending. Hold that 9th chord out, let it ring, and then lift off of it. There you have it, A Dream is a Wish Your Heart Makes, from the Disney movie Cinderella. It's a beautiful song. I hope you enjoy playing it.